A couple years ago, if Winsome was away for a few days, I probably would have just gone boating by myself. But now with Otto around, things are a little bit different.
Oh, no.
Instead of just packing the boat, and maybe a little treat for myself, I was packing for a tiny human too. Winsome was heading out of town on a work trip for a couple of days, so it was just me and Otto.
Boys trip! Boys trip!
And my parents, who were letting us crash at their camper near Oneida Lake. Our goal was simple: get Otto to Sylvan Beach. He'd never seen a beach before, and it was only a short boat ride from the camper, if the lake was calm enough.
Made it. We have officially made it.
You want to get out of that car, buddy?
Probably not. It's probably nice and cool in there.
Yeah, it's not going to be so cool inside, buddy.
No.
Look, buddy, it's the camper.
Hi, buddy.
It's Grammy and Grandpa. Go say hi. Or run away.
I've spent a lot of time thinking about the kind of childhood I hope that Otto has. Not because I think every day needs to be some big grand adventure, but because some of my favorite memories are a little more mundane. They're the quiet afternoons on the water, the campfires on a cool night, ice cream after a long day in the sun, the kinds of days that don't really seem important until it's winter and you are wishing you were back on the water. So while Winsome was away for work, I figured it was a good excuse to try and give Otto one of those days.
Oh, those are some more steps. Oh, you're walking right past them. And now the unfortunate task of unpacking all of this. Is that the boat, buddy?
Hi, Otto.
Oneida Lake has a bit of a reputation for being unpredictable. The first time Winsome and I took my old blue Glastron here, I wasn't really prepared for how unpredictable it could be. The wind picked up, and the waves got way bigger than I was prepared for. And I did what any experienced captain would do. I drove the bow straight into one of them. It sent a wall of water over the front of the boat, and Winsome, Riggy, and I got absolutely soaked. We ended up docking at the marina and sharing a very soggy lunch with my parents.
Hi.
Fortunately, today's forecast looked pretty good. Not perfect, but better than that day.
Yeah, we used that to tie up to a dock so the boat doesn't float away.
Thankfully, not perfect is good enough for me.
You want to drive?
You're so good at driving the boat, buddy. You playing with all this stuff?
Stop.
You're steering us to the shore, buddy. That is going to steer us away from shore. Back to the water. Is that you? Done?
Done.
All done.
We were still slightly worried about how rough the lake could get, especially with Otto on board. So we decided to stop along the way at a sort of beach-adjacent spot on Fish Creek that my parents loved to swim at. That way, if the lake decided not to let us pass, we could at least say that Otto touched sand, and that we didn't fail completely.
It's gonna drop off, buddy. Yeah, we're about to get wet. Oh, you're okay. We're gonna put the camera down, get used to it. Yeah. Look, Otto, it's you. You a good boy, buddy.
Big boot.
Oh.
Mom. Mom.
You want to come back in? Okay.
It was time to reapply our sunscreen, start feeding Otto a snack, and get back on the water towards Oneida Lake. Feeling refreshed by taking a quick dip, I was more determined than ever to get Otto to Sylvan Beach.
I missed you. Yeah, I missed you. Careful. We're having sand with Grandpa.
Do you like your Uncrustable? Cheers. What do you think, Otto? Does it look calm out there? You think we're going to be able to get to the beach? Yeah? Yeah, I think we're going to be able to make it to the beach. Hey, look at the geese. Look. Oh yeah, Otto. The lake looks so calm.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that looks a little rough. I don't know.
The inlet was so calm, but the wind was starting to pick up, and the lake was far from glass.
It's a little bumpy, huh, buddy? Here, I got you. It's a little bumpy, but not too bad. Oh, yeah. You think we're gonna make it to the beach, buddy? I think we are. gonna go for a swim, buddy?
Oh, I just seem so tired.
So sleepy. Look at the sand. Yeah, buddy. Look, the beach is just right there. It's the boat. Look at the big wave coming. What do you say? Should we head up to the beach so you can walk in some sand? Yeah? You want to play in the beach? Beach? Yeah, alright.
Mission accomplished.
That's sand, buddy.
I see.
Yeah.
Like most new things, it took Otto a few minutes to decide if this beach thing was really for him. In the end, I think he came around to it. But he still preferred the boat ride.
You ready to go back to the boat? Go back and see Grammy? You did it, buddy. You made it to the beach. Did you like it? Yeah. Alright, you're gonna like it better than this part. Otto, are you so sleepy? Did you have such a big day?
Otto's big day.
Otto's big trip to the beach? Otto, can you say beach? You're just too sleepy, Daddy.
He doesn't move his body an inch.
On the ride home, Oneida Lake had finally decided to show us who was in charge. But Otto napped through the whole thing. I suppose he's a boater after all. In their song, Somewhere in the Between, Streetlight Manifesto sings, "Someday soon, my friend, this ride will come to an end." And while I think they were talking more broadly about life, I don't think they'd mind if I borrowed it for this boat ride. I know Sylvan Beach probably isn't the kind of place most people would drive hours and hours to see, but I don't really think Otto cared too much. He got to steer the boat, splash around in the water, and spend the day outside with his grandparents. He hasn't quite figured out how magical campfires are yet, but I'm sure he'll get it eventually.
Cheers to a good day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
One day, he'll stay up with us, roast his own marshmallows, laugh at my terrible jokes, and complain when it's time to go to bed. Until then, I'll enjoy the campfire for the both of us.